Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be replacing the headlight on the Razor EXR electric scooter. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 15 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and a 4mm Allen wrench. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Disassemble the deck and the headlight. Step 2. Disconnect the headlight. Step 3. Connect your new headlight. And Step 4. Reassemble the deck and the headlight. Now let's get started on Step 1. Disassembling the deck and the headlight. Now, as with working on any electric product, always make sure to turn off the power before you begin. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 6 bolts on the top of the deck. With the 6 bolts removed, use your 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 remaining bolts. The remaining 2 bolts are out. Now let's remove the deck. Simply lift straight up and set it aside. In the battery tray, you'll notice 2 cables coming from the front, one of which has a connector in the middle. This is your main line. Lift the main line up, loosening the tension in the line. This will make it easier to work on the headlight. Using your 2.5mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts underneath the headlight. The bolts are small, so make sure not to lose them. Once all 4 bolts are removed, we can open up the headlight. Lift the top section straight up and remove the bottom 2 sides. And set them aside. Now we can finagle the wires out. Grab the wires and wiggle them straight up and out of the hole. And that concludes Step 1, disassembling the deck and the headlight. Now on to Step 2, disconnecting the headlight. You'll notice 2 wires coming out of the headlight. Find the plugs and disconnect them. They may be a little difficult and take some finagling, but keep at it and they'll unplug. With the headlight disconnected, that concludes Step 2, disconnecting the headlight. Now on to Step 3, connecting your new headlight. With your nice new headlight, you'll notice 2 connectors. One is black, one is green. Find the corresponding black and green connectors and connect them. Green to green, and black to black. And that concludes Step 3, connecting your new headlight. Now on to Step 4, reassembling the deck and the headlight. First, let's route the wires back into the bars. Just slide them on in. And place your new headlight on top, sliding it into the grommet. Now let's reinstall the 2 bottom pieces. The bigger piece goes on the left. Make sure all the grommets are lined up. This can be a little tricky, but keep at it, you'll get it. Once everything's all lined up in the grommets, you have it on correctly. So using your 2.5mm Allen wrench, reinstall the 4 bolts on the bottom. With all 4 bolts secure, let's move on to the deck. Grab your deck lid and set it on top. Make sure the back of the deck goes over the metal tabs in the frame. Using your Phillips screwdriver, reinstall the 6 bolts on the top. Insert the back 2 bolts through the deck lid and the metal frame, and then tighten them down into the brake light. With the 6 Phillips bolts secure, we can move on to the Allen bolts. Install them on the sides and tighten them down with your 4mm Allen wrench. With the deck secured, that concludes step 4, reassembling the deck and the headlight. Now hit that power switch and make sure it works. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. But if you are still having any other troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com. Now take your EXR out for a spin, and don't forget to wear a helmet. Bye-bye.